Hi, this is Professor Mark. In this video, we're going to show you how to do a two-stage future value problem. We're going to break it up into two steps. The first step, you calculate the future value, and then that future value becomes the new present value for your second stage calculation. Let's say you have $5,000 that you want to invest for the next 30 years, and the investment will pay you 8% for the first 12 years and 5% for the next 18 years. How do you solve that? Well, I like to write my data down, so let's do step one. So I know that I have 5,000. That's my present value. That's what I start with. I'm going to put it as a negative because we're investing it. I know that the N is 12 years. This first part is 12 years. I know the IY, the interest rate, is 8%. And I want to get what the future value of that. That's the first step. All right, so let's calculate that piece of it. All right, first thing we do is hit second, clear time value of money. And let's put our data in. 5,000 is what we have to invest. Change the sign. Put that in the present value register. This piece is going to be invested for 12 years. Put that in the N register. And we know we're going to earn 8%. Put that in the IY register. Hit the compute button for what you want to calculate, which is the future value. So the future value of this is $12,590 and 85 cents. That's step one. Now let's go to step two. So step two, I still write my data. So now this becomes your present value, right? This is the next step. The present value is your $12,590.85. Your N is 18 years, and your IY is 5%. And we want to calculate what the future value of that overall investment is, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is hit second, clear time value of money, and you notice that that number is still in my register. I'm just going to change the sign to a negative, put that in the present value register, type 18, put that in my N register, and we're going to earn 5%, and I put that in my IY, and I compute the future value. The overall value you should end up with is $30,301.38. That is how you do a two-stage problem. Don't be intimidated when you see something like that. You just break it down into the individual parts, and it makes it easy.